Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Windows 11. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up your Windows settings. In order to open up your Windows setting, you guys have to just simply tap on the start button, and here you guys have to select the setting or you guys have to search for settings. So after searching for setting, here you guys have to click on last option in the left panel, which is Windows Update. So after clicking on Windows Update, it will provide you some options. You guys have to just simply select the second last one, which is Advanced Options. After selecting the Advanced Options, here you guys have to select the third last option, which is Recovery. In the Recovery section, you guys have to just select the first option, which is Reset this PC. So after selecting this, it will provide you first two options. So the first option is Keep My Files and second option is Remove Everything. You guys have to select according to your need. If you select the first option, then all your personal data will be protected. If you want Windows to delete everything and reinstall, then you guys have to select the second option. But I'll recommend you before selecting the second option, so you guys have to back up your data in external drive or cloud solutions. So let's suppose that I'm selecting first option according to my need. After selecting this option, it will ask you how you want to reinstall Windows. So in order to reinstall Windows, there are two options, cloud download and second option is local reinstall. So if you have already Windows available, so you guys have to just simply tap on local reinstall and reinstall the window by locally by locating the file of Windows. And if you want cloud download, if you want Windows to automatically be reinstalled, then you guys have to select the first option. And after selecting any of the option according to your need, your Windows will be factory reset. And in this way, you guys can be able to factory reset your Windows. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.